to Dubai Metro Red Line. What I have to do now? Go to Max station, ticket office, automatic vending machines. So you can see timetable for metro stay, next trains. So I have to check where Max station comes, in which line or which platform. Platform 1 or 2. So Max station. Max is 21. So I have to go platform 1. This is metro station at at Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall. So I have to go to Max. Got down from this metro at Max station. So I am going to Dubai Frame. So I came out of this Max station, metro station, and see the beautiful buildings. Today the sky is a bit clear compared to yesterday. Maybe this is city center. Maybe there's less pollution here or less dust, maybe, I don't know. But it is very hot, maybe 46 degrees centigrade. So I'm just walking towards Dubai Frame, and that is the one attraction I want to do today. So then I have to take my lunch. So now it is almost like 4 p.m. Yeah, now I'm walking towards the flats in Dubai, Parkgate residences. They might be expensive, ultra luxury, because they are in heart of Dubai, close to Dubai Frame, close to Metro Max station. So definitely they are in millions of dirhams. So this is the residential area I am visiting now today. It's looking beautiful, but it's very hot outside. So inside I can see palm trees and also construction going on. So construction everywhere in Dubai, because real estate is number one. It is booming here. One of my friend, so he's doing real estate, he's selling flats. So I want to meet him tomorrow if possible and visit some flats. I think this is the entrance, if I'm not wrong. I will just go and check. Oh, park entry tickets. You take tickets for this. This is a high ticket, 5 AED entry fees for this park. So I have taken ticket. I just spent some time in this beautiful park. This beautiful park, and security guard is from Islamabad, Rawalpindi. So everywhere Pakistanis. So, and most of the youth from Pakistan, so who are not educated, so they are here, but working hard, very hard, working 7 days a week without any break, just living in a shared accommodation with so many people, and just saving money and sending back to Pakistan. So that is very, very good, appreciated, very, very much appreciated. Even Indians, even Filipinos, like Malayalis, Tamils, I have met several people in Dubai. So all are working hard, and they are contributing to Dubai's economy. That is, so I will just have something in the different. I'm having like 4 samosas for 10 dirhams, water bottle, cool 3 dirhams, and 1 tea 2 dirhams. The entrance to Dubai Frame, I have taken ticket. It is 50 dirhams, 52.50. This is the closest from Dubai, for Dubai Frame. I am going up now. This is the entrance for Dubai Frame. He has taken my picture there, but I have to pay for it. It is not free. I have to pay later. That is the entrance, main entrance, and I have to go lift with escalator. This is a ticket. He is the father of Dubai, Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum. This is the old Dubai, older. So it is a history museum. You can see, beautiful. So people used to cook food like this, and they used to live like buildings like this, houses, sewing machine, reading Quran. stitching fabrics, all the necessary kitchen equipment, kitchen appliances. Sorry, saffron used to be big trade. Still it is a big trade today, and now is, you can see modern Dubai with all skyscrapers, bridges, Burj Khalifa entrance, lift entrance, 8 floors, Dubai frame to go top. Came from this lift, but he said exit on the other side. So this is Dubai frame top, 48 floors. I am standing on 48th floor, glass on the 48th floor. I am feeling a bit scared to walk on this. So walking on the edges, you can see swimming pool, fountain. This side is low income group Dubai, or maybe middle class, you can say working class. You don't see more skyscraper this side. So all residential flats, G+5, G+4, G+6, so entire apartments. You can see metro. This is top floor Dubai frame. So entrance is from one pillar and exit is from this pillar. So we are on the top connecting two pillars. It is going down from 40th floor to ground floor. See, within seconds. See the highway, buildings. This is Dubai frame lift.
Sit down.
Souvenir shop, as usual. Exit from souvenir shop. So we want to collect photographs, you can pay and collect. Beautiful Jabil Park. Excellent, very close to Dubai frame. You can see Dubai frame from here, and park is just underneath the Dubai frame. So I'm just going back to metro station through this beautiful park. So entry fee is only 5 dirhams. So people are learning dance there, maybe doing TikTok videos or YouTube, Insta, I don't know. Very big park in center of Dubai. So castle model in Dubai. I have seen this castle last month. Didn't go up, but castle was huge, very big. I'm back to metro station, Max Metro. You can still see Burj Khalifa, and I take metro red line and change at the Union Station, and from there I take green line and go to Dubai Free Zone stop station. So from there it is 800 meters walk to my beautiful Hilton by Hampton Dubai Airport Hotel. Line, Max Station. I have to change to green line at Union Station. Simple. It just took 10 minutes to understand Dubai Metro. It is very simple. మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి. లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.